Hi guys, we continue with our mathematics classes. Today we will see the topic sign rules. You need to learn by heart that rules. It's the only way that you can apply that. Okay, so in that cases you need to know what is the addition and subtraction sign rules. Okay, if you have equal signs, positive plus positive, you got adding positive, addition positive. Okay, if you have negative plus negative, you have an addition negative. Okay, if you have positive less positive, you got a dependent subtraction. You have different signs, you need to do that. Okay, and for the multiplication and division is easiest. It's easiest. So if you call equal signs, your result is positive. If you've got different signs, your result is negative. It's only that. Okay, we continue with the next topic of today. Okay, we will solve exponents. What is an exponent? Is a mathematical expression that aims to find the product of equal factors. Okay, so you need to repeat the multiplication here. For example, here 2 cubed. What it means that you need to multiply 2 3 times. Okay, equals to 8. Okay, now we will see some rules. Multiplication of powers of the same base is the same. Okay, if you will multiply one base with a power and the same base with another power, you need to add the exponents. Okay, if you have a power and another power, like that, you need to multiply. For example, here you have 3 square and all the expression cube. You need to multiply the exponents. Why? Because if you have that, it's like 3 times 3 square, and 3 times every square. So you need to multiply the exponents. Okay guys, the next one, division of powers of the same base. Okay, we saw that rule, and I explained why you need to rest. Okay, so power of a multiplication. For example, if you have one multiplication and you need to power all the multiplication, you can separate the multiplication and every term have the same exponent. Okay, the power of division. Again, if you have one division and all the division, you will power it. You can separate every term and every term have the same power. Okay, now simplification of expressions with negative or zero exponents. Okay, laws of the negative exponents. We saw that you have one expression with a negative exponent, you can move down with the positive exponent, but you need to divide. Okay, division of two negative powers of different base. Check here. Okay, now you have a different base. What happened here? If you have that to the negative power and negative power, the both are negative, you can change that. Yeah, why? Because if you check the last rule, you can apply that and you got that. Again, you apply here and you get that. So it's a division and you can move to that. Okay. Negative power of a division of different base. Yeah, you have a division here and you got all the expression to the negative power. So you can change again. Why? You remember one rule that we saw recently. If you have one division and all the division have a power, every term has the same power, and again you got a negative exponent, so you apply another rule here and you can move. Yeah, you can change. Zero exponent. The only way to simplify is by performing the indicated operation. So all the values that you have to rise to zero exponent is equal to 1. Yeah, exists here that expression. For example, here 2 cubed divided by 2 cubed. 2 cubed is equal to 8 and 2 cubed is equal to 8. 8 divided by 8 is equal to 1. Okay, and you can apply that. Yeah, if you rest, remember it's the same base, you can rest 3 less 3 is equals to 0. Yeah, it's equals to 1. Exists a special case, then nobody knows what happened if you have 0 rise to 0 power. Somebody says that it's equal to 0, and somebody say that if you have a 0 exponent you get that 1. Okay, simplifying expression with a fractional exponents. If you have one expression with a power and that power is a fraction, you got a. Okay, for example, here you have 4 raised to and a half. Yeah, it's equals to the root square of 4. So guys, this is all for today. I will wait for your homework.